Today we are introduced for DP type of flow transmitter, calibration, configuration, procedure. Manufacturer Rosemount. Instrument model number 3051 CD2A. Transmitter communication protocol HART. Transmitter output range 4 to 20 milliamps. Instrument calibration range 0 to 250 millibar differential. Next we are introducing for 5-way manifold. Process line 2 connection, end port 2. Transmitter high side, transmitter low side. Manifold equalization bar green color. Isolation bar blue color. Bend line red color. Transmitter high side isolation bar, low side isolation bar, equalization bar, bend both side, high side and low side bend line. DP type flow transmitter calibration minimum required for equipments. One pneumatic pressure calibrator low range, reference multimeter, field communicator, 24 volt power supply, 250 results. Next, transmitter insert the clamp, remove the back cover, power supply terminal, positive, negative and test terminal. Positive line connected to transmitter positive terminal, negative line connected to transmitter negative terminal. Check the transmitter level condition. Now transmitter is power on. 2051 model. LRV URV millibar, unit is millibar. Linear functions, damping, alarm level, SAT level, low SAT level, security is off condition. Now at your display showing 1.2 millibar. Power on the communicator. Select the HART interface. Select the online menu. Online menu showing overview parameters, configuration and service tools. First we are checking the osmometer condition overview. The device status, PV, analog output, upper range value and lower range value, device information. Device information I will open it. Okay, identification number, we can add the identification number this area. Okay, long tag already assigned, description no, actually not assigned, unit model number also we can add it from this area. Unit serial number also there. We can check the alarm level also. Alarm direction is high. There is already alarm direction we can check. We can enable the dip switch from the transmitter. High alarm already assigned 22.5. High saturation level already assigned 20.5. Low saturation level already assigned 3.8 milliamps. Low alarm already assigned 3.6 milliamps. Next back. Next, I am telling the procedure for LRV URV changing. First, select the guided setup. First, select the configuration menu and select the guided setup and select the basic setup and next analog output. Here select the analog output area and change the LRV URV from this area. Okay, first we are selected, we can edit it from and send it, then okay. Next procedure, calibration unit changing. Okay, select the configuration, select the guided setup and the basic setup and the second one, unit and measuring and learning. Select it, unit of measurement, we can select it millibar, we can select and use for any SI units. Millibar already assigned in the manufacturer, that is the correct point. Okay, return back to home. Next we are doing the procedure for transmitter configuration, flow configuration and engineering configuration. The flow transmitter DP range 0 to 250 millibar. Calibrated range and configuration range of DCS. Flow range is 0 to 80 meter cube per hour. DP range is same 0 to 250 millibar. Next we are doing the configuration procedure, scaled variable. First select the configuration menu and select guided setup and fourth one, scaled variable unit, select it and fifth one, scaled variable. Default already mentioned the linear offset value is 0 millibar. Next we are starting the configuration for flow unit and flow range and DP unit and DP range. Selecting number 5. Okay, change the remote controller. Enter the scale variable unit, special character display and meet. Now we are entering for meter cube per HR hour. Okay, next enter it. This is a flow unit. Select the scale data options, linear or square root. Actually flow transmitter is square root condition. We are selected the flow square root. Enter it. Enter the pressure value in millibar. Zero conditions. Zero conditions, actually 0 is 0. Okay. Pressure value should be within the sensor limit. Range are not equal to 0. Then okay. Next, enter the pressure value up value. What is the pressure value? 250 millibar. Enter. Next, next, enter the square root value of meter cube per hour. What is it? 80. That is square root value. Next one option is there. Select the low flow cutoff mode. If you require the low cutoff, you can enable the on mode. If you not require the low cutoff, you can off mode. Now we are selecting the off mode condition. In the data sheet, not mention any flow cutoff. Okay, exit. Okay. Back. Now scaled variable configuration is completed. Next we are doing the display setting procedure. Okay, select the configuration menu and graded setup. Configuration of display, third one, and the pressure is already enabled. Scale variable is off condition. First, next we are selecting the on, and enter. Okay, temperature is not required, percentage also not required, analog output also not required, review parameters is required. Okay, next select send. Now display showing the both conditions, dp value and flow value. Form. Okay, display configuration is completed. Next we are doing for the calibration procedure. First we are performing for DA trim calibration. Select the service tools and maintenance and analog calibration. Okay, digital to analog trim. Enter. Then okay. Okay, connect the reference meter. Reference meter already connected. Then okay. Select the field value device output to 4 milliamps. Okay. Enter the output value 4.003. Both are equal. Select it OK. $19.999 enter, then enter and OK. Now analog calibration is completed. Next we are performing for pressure calibration. The upside pressure calibration, first we are opening the equalization bar. First you open the equalization bar. Next you open the isolation bar, high side and low side. Next you open the wind line, both side, high side and low side. Now all valve is atmosphere open condition now. Next we are doing the pressure calibration. First step zero trim. Select the function number 1, select it, and the zero trim number 3. Then OK, then OK, then OK, stabilize OK. Then OK. Pressure trim is zero trim is completed. Next we are performing the upper sensor trim. Next we are doing the upper sensor trim. We are next connect the fitting from the high side. High side connected. Next we are connecting the pressure calibrator line. Close the vent valve, high side. Now fully close the. Next close the equalization bar. Next power on the pressure calibrator. Unit is millibar already selected. Set is a 0 plus 0 and save it. Next close the valve in the unit pressure calibrator and apply the pressure to 250 millibar. Slowly apply. Now pressure is reached 250 millibar. transmitter display showing to 49.9 millibar. Next we are doing the pressure sensor trim. Select it, then OK. Select the unit and apply pressure. Pressure applied, then OK. Enter the value 250. Remove the pressure from the unit. Remove it. Then OK. Now upper sensor is completed. Upper sensor trimming is completed. Display showing 0. Output also showing 0. The transmitter pressure calibration is completed. Next we are doing the configuration of analog output transfer function configuration procedure. Select the configuration menu. Select the manual mode setup. Select the process variable. Select the pressure setup. And the sixth analog output transfer functions. Select it. Number 6. Select a store route. Send it. Then OK. OK. Now analog output transfer function configuration is completed. Next we are doing the performance test of transmitter. Close the valve. Apply the pressure. Next we are applied for 25% dp value 62.5 millibar 25%. Slowly. Now 62.4, 62.5 millibar. Transmitter meter cube 40 meter cube. Output 11.999 and 12 milliamps. Overview PV already applied 62.57. Analog output 12 milliamps. Now transmitter performance test also completed, calibration also completed, configuration also completed.